and she caught me red-handed, creepy with a girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom floor. How could I forget that I had given her an extra key? All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off me.
How you forget the woman access to your villa? Just a son of weakness, all of your clean on your pillar. You better watch your back before she turn into a killer. Just review the situation that you call the winner. To be a true player, you have to know how to play. If she say a night, convince her say a day. Never admit to a word where she say. And if she claim her, you tell her, baby, no way.
But she caught me on the counter.
Wasn't me.
Saw me banging on the sofa.
Wasn't me.
I even had her in the shower.
Wasn't me.
She even caught me on camera.
Wasn't me.
Saw the marks on my shoulder.
Wasn't me.
Heard the words that I told her.
Wasn't me.
Heard the screams getting louder.
Wasn't me.
She stayed until it was over. Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom floor. I had tried to keep her from what she was about to see. Why should she believe me when I told her it wasn't me?
Now she knows that she really not the right with vex. I never used to see her make the jigger low flex. As somebody else a favor you in the complex. Seeing is believing, so you better change the specs. You know she a go bring her whatever things up from the past. All the little evidence you better know the mass. Quick by your hands up, no open back. But if she back a gun, you know you better run for us.
But she caught me on the counter.
Wasn't me.
Saw me banging on the sofa.
Wasn't me.
I even had her in the shower.
Wasn't me.
She even got me on camera.
Wasn't me.
Saw the marks on my shoulder. Heard the words that I told her. Heard the screams getting louder. She stayed until it was over.
I took cold water, sold it in bottles for $2. And Coca-Cola came and bought it for beans. What the fuck? Have a baby by me, baby. Be a millionaire. I write the check before the baby comes. Who the fuck cares? I'm stanky rich. I'ma die trying to spend this shit. Southside is up in this bitch. Yeah, I smell like a vote. I used to sell dope. I did play the block. Now I play on boats. In the South of France, baby. Sandro K, get a tan. I'm already black. Rich, I'm already that. Gangster, get a gang. Hit a head, in the head. Call that a riddle rap. Shit, fuck the chit chat. The big bake the bread. A barber, I cut your head. A marksman, I spray the lead. I blood clot calculate. Not fuck with the kid. I get biz with the cig. I can where you live. You dig? But it ain't new though. I got rid of my old bitch. Now I got new hoes. First it was the Benzo. Now I'm in the Enzo. Ferrari, I'm sorry, I keep blowing up.
Lean back, 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 lean back. Come on.
Anybody rockin'? Not perfection. Not full people don't say
other guy you knew before. Between the two of us, guys, you know I love you more. It took me by surprise, I must say, when I found out yesterday. Don't you know that I heard through the grapevine that much longer would you be mine? Oh, I heard it through the grapevine. Oh, I'm just about to lose my mind, honey, honey. Well,
You don't get refusal. You won't get turned down. You just get turned up. You won't get knocked back down to the floor, baby. Never out of luck. From the morning to the evening, I can feel it. I can feel it. Seems like now that I'm stuck on